We kind of got a surprise for you guys today. Been hitting towards it for a while.
Yeah.
But we finally got all the parts in to do it. I made the trip down here with my buddy Joe. We're gonna put a blower on this thing.
Yes, sir. Get rid of the old stock stuff. Here's the blower over here. Nice LSA.
It's kind of a learning experience for all of us because we've never done this before. Luckily, I've got a buddy, the Idaho man, that's done it before, and he was nice enough to send me his tune. So, hopefully it's all right. Hopefully it don't blow up.
Yeah.
Care package from Texas Speed.
Yeah. This is the LSA cam. Oh yeah,
the good stuff.
There's all the info.
Ooh, what's this? Oh, Johnson lifters.
Got some Johnson lifters, new push rods.
We gotta measure the push rods when we take them out.
Yeah.
Make sure they're gonna be okay. And
which I already have Texas Speed stuff in there. This was just a whole.
oh yeah, it's finally draining oil.
Yeah.
This catch can had like a quart of water in it.
Yeah, too bad you got all this bullshit on top of it. You can't
Covering them
see
up,
it.
covering up the flag. That's on American. That's gonna look good with that blower on there.
Yeah.
Look a lot better. 15 minutes, we already got it. Intake's loose, ready to come off. Coil packs are off with the custom brackets that this guy made here.
Pull these off.
Looking good. Draining the coolant. Oh yeah, there she goes. Oh man.
Here, let me slow it down a little bit.
Yeah, slow it down a little bit.
That's getting everywhere.
Alright, good thing we got some floor dry.
Yeah, we prepared, but there's floor dry already on the ground.
Pre-prepared to make a mess.
Yep. Dude, I can't believe how clean it is inside there.
It's that race fuel, isn't it? It's like the same effect as E85 has.
I mean, since we put those heads on, I've drove the heck out of this thing for a while.
Well, the dirt.
C16.
Everyday driving and.
Well, I'm talking about inside in here.
Oh, I told you.
You can look at the. I don't have my phone.
Can't really tell on the camera, it doesn't have a light on it.
No.
You know, the broke boy
You have
life.
your phone? Turn your light on.
Yeah, let's see the inside of the ports there, even though we're pulling the heads off.
Yeah, true.
Yeah.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Oh,
they look pretty clean from this side.
I did not think they were going to be dirty.
No, there ain't a bit of carbon one. Idiots. Taking this very beaten, battered exhaust loose.
That exhaust likes to glow red.
Yes.
This right here is custom, NASCAR style. Cab exit.
I need the true NASCAR style that starts like here. And, this part
Yeah.
starts like under here and goes that way. That's the one I want. But
Well, and the cool thing about this exhaust way, you have it fabbed up with your cross member here, because most of the time the cross member comes all the way through here, so you
Yeah.
can't have an exhaust under it. It'll hang down too low.
yeah.
So with your cross member being like that, it works perfect.
Yeah.
I thought that was pretty sweet.
It's a little McFarlane fab there.
McFarlane fab. I thought it was Big Man Zebo.
Yeah. Pretty good though. It works.
down. We have to pull the balancer off. He had to go rent a puller for it. So yeah, we'll get back to the time lapse. One of them's off.
Huh?
One of them's off. Everything looks clean up in there. Other than that little bit of coolant from pulling the head off there.
Yeah, no biggie.
I'll go show the guys what it looks like.
What the heck?
6,500 plus RPMs for its whole life. Well, since they came back from Texas Speed,
Still pretty.
got the whole PRC treatment on them. Yeah.
Still
The
pretty.
chambers look good.
No.
Yeah, race fuel keeps it pretty clean, don't it? Oh
Ain't
yeah.
bad at all. I mean, it's been running fat, you know.
Yeah, it's
since
been
I got
running
it.
rich, safe.
So
That's why you don't run 3 octane on anything.
Keeps it clean. Keeps it from getting built up. Yeah. I hate to see what my engine looks like on the inside, that direct injected 5.3.
No,
It's probably, yeah.
filthy. that stuff you get from GM, that BG fuel treatment stuff.
GM.
BG.
Oh, okay.
You can run a can through that every so often and then keep it clean.
Is it for direct injected engines? Alright. Next is the timing cover. Pull this nifty balancer off. Comes before it, a little tiny one. And then we'll pull the cam out. Pull lifters, all that good stuff. Put the new stuff in.